Hello all my YouTube subscribers. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. And this is impromptu because I spent like hours and hours and hours working on this. And this is a hard start and bridge Stratton engine. And it turned out what it was is that when you push this the full choke up all the way up to the start position, this lever pushes against that wire. That wire then pushes into this component, which I think is an electric choke. When that pushes in, it will close your choke in the carburetor. And I noticed that it wasn't closing when I tore everything apart. But when it's on cold, it will not start. But as soon as I put that choke on, doesn't have a problem now. I ended up replacing spark plugs, engine oil, fuel filters, everything. And it turned out to be just that this little wire connection right here had gotten too loose and it allowed this piece to go forward too much. And when it went too far forward, that mechanism right there was only coming up to about that point and it wasn't pushing on the choke mechanism. Like and subscribe for more short videos.